How to secure your YouTube TV account with two-step verification. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to secure your YouTube TV account by enabling two-step verification. Since your YouTube TV subscription is linked to your Google account, adding two-step verification to your Google account adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Let's learn how to set it up. Two-step verification, also known as two-factor authentication, requires a second step of verification, usually a code sent to your phone or a prompt on a trusted device, in addition to your password when signing in. To enable this for your YouTube TV account, you need to enable it for your Google account. Open a web browser on a computer or mobile device and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account that you use for your YouTube TV subscription. Once you are on your Google account page, navigate to the security section. This is usually found in the left-hand menu or as a prominent option on the main page. Click on Security. In the security section, look for the option related to signing into Google. You should see an option for two-step verification. If it's currently off, click on it. You will be taken to the two-step verification setup page. Click on Get Started. You will be asked to sign in again to confirm it's you. After signing in, you will be guided through the setup process. Google will typically prompt you to choose your second step of verification. The most common methods include receiving a verification code via text message or phone call to your registered phone number using Google Prompts, where you approve sign-in attempts on your smartphone, or using authenticator apps. Choose the method you prefer and follow the instructions to set it up. You will likely be asked to confirm your phone number or set up the Google Prompts on your phone. Once you have successfully set up your chosen second step, two-step verification will be enabled for your Google account. Now, whenever you sign in to your Google account, which includes signing into YouTube TV on a new device or browser, you will be required to enter your password and then complete the second verification step you set up. This makes it significantly harder for someone to access your account even if they somehow get your password. We hope this video helped you secure your YouTube TV account by enabling two-step verification on your Google account. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful security tips and guides.